haven't been making any videos because I've just been laying in bed for over a week and a half because I injured my foot. Ankle's a little bit messed up, so I can't do anything. The EG was almost done and then I got hurt, so it's just been sitting since, and I can't finish up the CRX and I can't start on the N600. So yeah, patiently waiting for this stupid foot to get better. But in the meantime, I'll just show you guys what I've been doing before I got hurt on the hatch. So yeah, stay tuned, check it out. What's up over here? Come here to pick up my new block from my boy Busy, because he's been busy with my block, setting it up for me. Did most of the work, hard work, so I'm just here to pick it up, and we're gonna make some power. I'm gonna introduce you guys to my boy Busy right here. He's been helping me out with my motor. He knows a lot about motors and stuff like that, so you know, he's my go-to guy. And I'm going to him for this 800 horsepower block right here, man. But we're probably not gonna hit that high, probably just like 4 to 5. But it's gonna be a good setup. What do you think, Bobby?
4 to 5, probably gonna be conservative.
Yeah.
Make sure you get a small turbo.
Yeah.
Should be good.
Yep, here's the block. There she is.
Yeah, that's it.
Brand spanking new block.
RS Machine. Yeah,
Sleeved, RS machined. This thing's gonna look good. I mean, it looks good already. It's gonna work good. Cool. All right, the motor is finally home. Right here, getting ready for assembly. All the parts here, just some gaskets that I'm missing, and the tray, but it'll be here soon.